Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can keep the document mandatory and then how we can disburse the loan. So just have a look. So if I go to the master setup, setting, so here you can see I have added one setting, make documents mandatory for account creation. So I have set value yes. Now I will go to the master setup document list. So here you can see I have added few documents and Aadhaar card and PAN card I have kept mandatory. So let's search one customer from the search bar F-1. So here I have actually added two documents. So PAN card. So I will just delete one. So PAN card I have added. Now let's check if I click to loan. So here you can see upload and verify Aadhaar card. So I have kept Aadhaar card also mandatory. So I need to upload the Aadhaar card as well. So I will just select Aadhaar card. Just write the Aadhaar card number. Then you can just add without file or you can browse the file from here. So I will just browse file. And just click to upload. So I will just click to upload all files and just search the customer again F-1. So here you can see the documents we have uploaded now. Aadhaar card. So one I will delete because it is adding 2 times. Now let's verify this document. So this is with file and this is with file and this one is without file. Now I will click to loan. Now you can see the system is allowing me to create loan. So I have created one daily collection scheme. I will just enter the amount and just calculate, and you can see installment is 233 for every day at the interval 2. So I have created this product scheme and this principal amount. So just calculate and save this loan. So loan is created to approval. Just go to the approval. Just refresh here. In the new request, you can click to the customer name and just approve the loan. So just go back and in the approved section, just click to customer name. So here in a approved section, you can check print format is there and document list. So you can check whatever documents added for customer and then you can disburse loan from here. So I will just click to disburse manually. So here you can see loan number 5 is created successfully. Now I will search this loan from the search bar. So I will just enter 5. So here you can see we have disbursed loan after the document verification. And you can check the tracker. For every day tracker is created for 233 for total tenure. So you can check the passbook as well. So I will go to the passbook. So here you can see total 120 days, this much interest applied and principal is this much. So recoverable amount is 14,000. So this type we can easily disburse loan after verification of documents through the approval process. So we can manage our business in Jainam Software very easy and simple way, and we can save our manual efforts. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.